Hello guys, GarciaProduction here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Wrapper Offline 2.0.0. So now, in Wrapper Offline 2.0.0, it now supports custom assets like in my last tutorial. In my last tutorial, Wrapper Offline 1.3.0 assets did not work. I tried to drag all the assets in them, but they didn't work. But this time, we're doing Wrapper Offline 2.0.0 because it supports custom assets. Like different clothes, different shirts, different shoes, and more stuff. So, anyways, let's just not waste our time. Let's just get started. So now what you need to do is go to these these 7 websites. What you need to do is go to these 7 websites, which will be linked in the description below. As you know, I have already downloaded this, so now what we're going to do is we're going to just open our File Explorer. Also, I have already extracted this. So, and also, yes, for that I already extracted all this. So now what we're going to do is open the Wrapper Offline folder. For this, I'm going to drag this into the desktop, because it's easier for me to open. For this, I'm going to clear all this out, the recycle bin. Now what we're going to do is open up the Wrapper Offline folder. And also this has built-in Flash. It has a Pepper Flash Player plugin, which will be used for life. But if the latest version of Flash Player starts lagging, we'll just get the older plugin. But one day it might be linked in the Google Drive link in the description. That'll be happening in the future. And there, now we got Wrapper Offline. For this, I'm going to create some characters for just an example for just a sec. Now I'm going to show you that it has the old assets. Once I'm done creating the old GoAnimate characters, old classic GoAnimate characters from the Legacy Video Maker. So we got this guy. His name could be either Eric or, yeah, I don't know. Or his name is Adam, or I don't know. Or whatever name we can call him. For this, I'm going to give him like these type of eyes, like rectangular eyes. And this mouth. I'm just creating characters as an example. And now we'll give him these ears. So that's how I'm going to do it with one of my characters. As we see, we have old clothes, old classic clothes. It's the old classic GoAnimate assets. To get the new assets, once I'm done creating these characters, I'm going to show you how to get the custom assets. They're going to be by JackTheVyonder, but I might extract them. But yeah. And now, this one might be Eve. I think this girl's name right here from here, her name might be Eve. I think that's how Wrapper Offline, I think that's how we name her. Her name will be Eve. That's like, I don't know. Okay, then the next one is the character, let's see. Next one is, that's GoAnimate Fat character, and that one might be, I think this guy might be like Rocky. The one, the GoAnimate character with the muscles. I'm just doing just characters as an example, but yeah. So yeah, he has glasses, because that's how he is. Now after I'm done creating the characters, we'll do the custom assets, and also they'll have custom facial expressions. So I'm doing this tutorial video for Wrapper Offline. Because, yeah. So now, a lot of everybody kept saying, how do you get custom assets on each GoAnimate character? Like if I do the boy and girl assets, as you see, these are old assets. And now if we go to the girl assets, I know it's loading. And also every other assets, like such as these these are just old. So a lot of people will be asking, how do you get the custom assets? Well, we're going to do that right now. So first things first, what you need to do is close the Wrapper Offline app, or I don't know what you call it. Maybe I think it turned into an app. Just close the app and then open. As you know, I created a folder for JackTheVyonder2006 assets. What we're going to do here is we're going to extract these files, these assets. These will take a couple minutes and seconds, I think. This might take a couple of seconds for the assets to extract. Showed you the old, and then before I do anything, I'm going to show you the old facial expressions from the old GoAnimate. Okay, that's done extracting. So now I'm going to show you the old facial expressions from GoAnimate. I forgot to show you. I know it's my fault. I forgot to almost show you that. But no matter than that, let's just move on. And so now, if you can see, if we show you the old actions like these, so they're like stand, and these are all old emotions, crossed arms, actions. Those are just all old actions from the old GoAnimate from a couple years ago, I think. Here's the facial expressions. These are all the original expressions. See, those are just all original. So, to get the new facial expressions and actions and assets, first things first, we need to do is close the Wrapper Offline folder, or Wrapper Offline app and folder. Oh no, open that back up. Now you need to do is go to Resources, App, go to Server, Store 39981F5CB2739137. What I want to do is click on that. And now if you go to CC Store, click on Family. For this, I'm going to create a folder for these original GoAnimate assets. It's called Original GoAnimate Old Assets. Old slash. Oh yeah, I can't put slash on the folder. Original assets. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna highlight all that and drag all these into the folder. Now we need to do is get JackTheVyonder's assets. Now we need to do is we need to highlight all this, or I'm gonna do Control. Dang it. Hold on. We just need the assets folder because we don't need that. We're not gonna put them in there. We just need to put it in that little folder. Now we need to do is now we can highlight and drag all these into the folder, into the Wrapper Offline folder. Now close that out. So now we can close out of that and open the Wrapper Offline folder. Now if we click on Wrapper Offline, the Wrapper Offline app will now open. So now if we go on to see the character assets. So now let's do the boy assets first. And there you go, that's how you get the new assets. See, look, so now you got yourself some custom assets. So now we got different shirts, different t-shirts, different clothes, and also we got different actions, like that. We got different actions, and also different facial expressions. That looks perfect. Now we'll do the girl assets. I know it's loading. Now we'll do the girl assets. And there you go. Now you got the custom girl assets for each GoAnimate character, like custom top wears, and also we got different clothes such as pants and shorts and skirts. I know we got like that, which is like, I don't know what that is. Different pants, different shorts, everything. And also we got different actions, different facial expressions. Now I'll show you the boy assets again. Now we got different top wears for the shirt. And also we have, for the girl assets, we have top wear shirts. And these are pants, such as pants and shorts, like that, all different. Earlier I showed you all the facial expressions and actions. And now the moment you have been waiting, the video maker. We have Comedy World, Little Peeps, Business Friendly, Cartoon Classics, White Houser, Stick Figure, and more. At least we got Business Friendly. And now if we're going to Comedy World, it'll take you into the Rapper Offline Video Maker, so you can make your cartoon. You just gotta be patient while the video maker's loading. Now the cursor's circling. And there you go, now we're into the video maker. So now we can test every now we're gonna test every voice. I do have desktop audio. Let me see. Let me do test. There we go. So now we got desktop audio. Sorry, that's my mom coming. Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Can you get bed? Not yet.
Not yet.
What time is it?
It's 9:36.
Okay. Can you lay in bed? You can lay in bed and play with your phone, okay?
Hey. Hey. You know it. Okay. Sorry about that. That's my mom. Alright. We don't have to worry about that. We can just ignore that. Now let's go back to let's continue to what we're doing. So now we're gonna do like the voices. We can do the new Joy voice. Let's try that.
Test.
The new Joy voice works.
Test.
There it is. Yeah, Ivona voices still work. Now let's try Oddcast voices.
Test.
The Oddcast voices do work. Now let's try VoiceForge voices. if you get this error message, it means the voice forward voices still don't work. The voice forward voices do not work after July of 2022. Because as you can see, voice forward has recently updated their API. That means the voice forward voices don't work. I was hoping that the Rapper Offline team will be fixing the voice forward voices. So yeah, I think they're planning to fix the voice forward voices. But to get the voice forward voices, we need the BlueStacks. So now, like that'll be like voice forge capital David. Let's try demon. Those work. Now we can try female voices.
Test.
The female voices work. Now we'll try a cappella voices.
Test.
The a cappella group voices still work. But let's try Voice Forge Kayla. That doesn't work. Let's try Rosie. I have not heard of that voice, but let's try Robin.
Test.
The Kepstro voices work. Let's try Ivona Sally.
Test.
Let's try Samantha. Let's see, Oddcast.
Test.
That works. Now let's try Rosie. That's a different voice I've never heard before.
Test.
That works. But Shy Girl does not work because Voice Forge voices still don't work. Now we tested all the voices. I'm gonna click out of that. Now let's try mic recording. And this time it'll be called This is a Test. If we get this setting, if we get this message, just allow microphone access. Alright, let's start. 3, 2, 1. This is a test. This is a test. Now I just gotta give it a second for the mic recording voice to get sent to the Go Animate. And as you can see now, his mouth is moving. It means he's talking. And I let this character look at the camera, because that means he's talking to us. Or he's talking to the viewers, talking to the camera. So now if we go into preview, now we got Beyond's old preview window. So now let's see how does that work. This is a test. Pretty cool. And also, if you want to get the Go Animate watermark, we also have the Go Animate watermark, which is Rapper Offline right here. Now, if we go into now if we go into preview, let's see how does it do. Let's see if the Go Animate watermark is in there. This is a test. And as you can see down there, there's the old Go Animate watermark. That's pretty cool. So that's how you get Rapper Offline 2.0 on your computer. So now you can start making videos on Rapper Offline. So yes, I can't. Yep, ever wanted to make. Now let's see. Now we're gonna try out business friendly. Business friendly. This is beta testing. There's this great guy. I'm not sure who is he. It's called Howdy. I don't know how do you say it. Howdy. I don't know how you say that. He looks great because it looks like business-friendly beta. But at least the themes are working. Like if I click on any theme, it does work. All the themes work. all the non-business themes are back. After Vyond retires Legacy Video Maker, now we're gonna head back onto Comedy World. And at least we got old musics. Pretty cool. And also, we got props, text, we got props, we got characters, we got Go Animators. I know the favorite one is GoTube, that's him. Stock characters, got that. Submissions, and there's Kayla right here. Kayla Perky Shoots. Oh, sorry. Excuse my language. Sorry about my language. Now it's just Kalu. Yep. I didn't mean to say curse word. It's just, I don't know. It's my fault. Now we got GoTube, which is good. There you go. That's how we get Wrapper offline on Windows 10. So now, let's end this video. Thanks for watching. And this is me, signing off, and over and out. Bye.